Okay, let us discuss the next question. So this is 10.49. So what we have, so this is a roadmap kind of problem. You have to define A, B, C, D. So says compound A is optically active alcohol. So compound A is optically active alcohol. So this is alcohol, optically active alcohol. OH means alcohol we have. Now A, treatment of A with chromic acid, it converts to ketone. So if A is treated with chromic acid, H2CrO4, we get a ketone. So ketone B. So we are getting B. B is basically a ketone. Now next is, in a separate reaction, A is treated with PBr3. If A is treated with PBr3, converting A into compound C, so compound C is formed. And compound C is purified and then it is allowed to react with magnesium in ether. So this means magnesium and ether. It means I am getting a Grignard reagent. Compound B is added to resulting solution. So I am getting a solution, and in this solution I am adding compound B. So compound B is adding. So we have a Grignard reagent plus B. So finally what we are getting, so if I add B, there is a ketone. Now this side we have Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent can attack on ketone. So if I get a solution, in this solution if I add B, finally resulting added to Grignard reagent, after hydrolysis, we also do hydrolysis after this. B contains 3,4-dimethyl 3-hexanol. So after this, the product we are getting, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3,4-dimethyl. So you have 3,4-dimethyl you have, and you have 3-hexanol. 3-hexanol. I think you have copied this one. So this is the structure. You have to draw the structure of ABCD. Okay, so let us see how will you proceed. So I will give you some time and some hints also given. So you see, compound A forms B, so B ketone. Now the same B, further I am making the Grignard reagent of A. So A and B contain same number of carbon. C also contains same number of carbon. And this solution C will also contain same number of carbon. So let us say, and B plus C will have twice carbon of A. So if A has a 4 carbon, B will also have 4 carbon. C will also have 4 carbon. Now C plus B, you will have 8 carbon. Are you getting? So this means the final product after hydrolysis you are getting. So this gives me a hint. There should be a symmetry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I should get a symmetry. So something like this. So I have to break from here because ketone and Grignard reagent both are coming from same A. So this means now I have a hint. So initially let us say C. I have to break from here, and then I can get the structure of A. Now you derive the product, all the product. This is the NF hint. Now take 1 minute time, and then you derive the product. What is the reasoning is, we said B and C must have same number of carbon because both are formed from A. So if B and C both have same number of carbon, so solution of B, that is a Grignard reagent of B, is coming from C, so it will also have same number of carbon reacting with B. So basically this is a dimerization. This means all carbon will be here. So if you are getting total 8 carbon, so you have to divide 4 to 4. So let us see how many of you are able to do this one. So some of you have might done this one. So let us see. So now a structure of A is very clear. So you will have A is this CH3, CH, COH, CH3 hydrogen. So now you see this carbon is basically optically active. So this is the alcohol because this is optically active. So structure of A is very clear. You getting or not? If I do oxidation, so you will get B. B is oxidation. So B is a ketone. If I do oxidation of this, so this will become CH3CH2, C double bond O CH3. So structure of B is very clear. So this is the B. Are you getting or not? Now C is what? C is coming from reaction with PBr3. So C will be simply alcohol replaced by bromine. So this is C, CH3, CH2, and this Br, H, CH3. So this is my C. You getting or not? So this is simply C because OH has been replaced by. Now other structure you have basically given. So you have to only find A, B, C in this case. So you have derived the structure of A, B, C. And if you want to find D, D is basically, so this gives a D, which on hydrolysis gives D. So D is simply minus here. So I can say D is a Grignard reagent I will form. So you can say Grignard reagent will be, so if somebody says write down the structure of Grignard reagent also, so you will have CH, MgBr, and here you will have CH3. So this is the Grignard reagent you will have. Now reaction will be happening here. So you will have CH3, CH2, CCH3, MgBr, hydrogen. Now this will react with ketone. So you have a ketone is this C double bond O. This side CH3, this side CH2CH3. So what is the reaction happening? So this carbon contains a electron pair, lone pair, basically electron pair. So negative charge will attack here. This opens up. So you see this is a reaction of Grignard reagent. And if you do hydrolysis, you will get the desired product. I think all of you are able to understand this one. Easy problem. Copy fast and then we'll discuss the next problem. So one important point in this question is I am making B from also A and also making C from also A. So this means B and C both contains the same number of carbon. B is a Grignard reagent, C is a ketone, and if B reacts with C, so that is a Grignard reagent reacting with a ketone. We have prepared the Grignard reagent from B. So Grignard reagent reacting on a ketone. So this will basically get a alcohol, and now this time we have the number of carbons should be doubled. That is the important point in this question. Things will be symmetrical. We'll discuss the next problem.